And the last thing we're going to do is show you how to set up a normal probability plot on the TI-89. So let's turn it on. Okay, everything is going to be done in that stats list editor. Okay, I always just hit escape on that. And I have my data in here already from that Unit 1 calculator tutorial. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at our plots. All right, you probably have a plot in here. Okay, if you do, highlight it and hit F3 to clear it out. We want empty plots here. All right, once you do that, let's hit escape. All right, so normal probability plot is found in a different spot than like the histograms, box plots, all that. All right, so let's click on F2. Instead of going to plot setup, we're going to go down one to the second option there. It says normal prob plot, norm prob plot, and enter on that. And the only thing we need to point it to is our list. Okay, so list 1, if that's empty for you, hit the second key, hit the minus key. All right, and that brings up all our variables in our calculator, and we want to find whatever it is that's holding our data. So in this case, it's in list 1, so list 1. All right, hit enter. Okay, and you're going to see a new list pop up based on z-scores. So a normal probability plot is all built around z-scores and percentiles. All right, we don't really need to know that. We just want to know what to look for. So if we were to graph this, I'm going to hit that diamond key and then the graph button. Okay, and it's always a good idea to zoom this to the data. So I'm going to hit F2 and then the 9 button. That's what zoom data is. All right, so this is our normal probability plot. Each data element in our list, all 40 values, gets its own dot. And what we're looking for is, do these make a straight line? Okay, and they do, generally speaking. All right, that's telling us that it's approximately normal, which is also what we saw when we created the histogram. All right, so if we went back over here, let's set up a histogram real fast. I'm going to do this fast because this is in the other video. So I'm going to make this a histogram. I'm going to clear this out and link it to list 1. And graph it. Zoom 9. That's not what I want. Zoom out. Zoom out. All right, so we can see here that approximately symmetric shape, peak in the middle, gets smaller as it moves out to the curves. All right, so it's not perfectly normal, but in a lot of cases in this class, approximately normal is close enough, and that's what we're seeing here both in the histogram and in the normal probability plot by the fact that it's a straight line.